Hello friends, let's see statement 4. If a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at points P, Q or S. See here, they have told that circle touches all the four sides. So here the circle comes inside the quadrilateral. In case they told that circle touches all the vertices means what? These are the vertices. If they told that circle touches all the vertices means circle comes outside the quadrilateral. So that's why here we have taken circle inside the quadrilateral. So it touches at the points P, Q or S. So they have given this. What needs to be proved? So we have to prove that AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. See here, let this be center O. Okay. When you see for this circle, let us consider A as an external point. When you consider A as an external point, AS and AP are the tangents to the given circle with center O. In the same way, when you consider B as an external point, BP and BQ are the tangents to the given circle with center O. In the same way for C and the D also. So from an external point, two tangents can be drawn, and from theorem 9.2, those two tangents are equal. Correct? So what can we write from this? AP equals to AS. So whatever we have discussed till now, let us put it here. See here, I have written from point A, two tangents are AP and AS. So AP equals to AS, I have taken it as a base of theorem 9.2 statement. What does theorem 9.2 states? Theorem 9.2 states that the length of tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So that's why here when you consider A as an external point, AS and AP are the tangents and those two will become equal. So therefore AP equals to AS. AP equals to AS. In the same way BP equals to BQ when you consider B as an external point. In the same way CQ equals to CR. The same way DR equals to DS. Clear? So all are based on theorem 9.2. So what did they ask us to prove? AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. So what is AB? AB is nothing but AP plus PB. So when you see here AP, PB. Okay. So what will I do here? I will put each equated thing as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So just consider LHS part. AB is nothing but AP plus PB. In the same way, CD is nothing but CR plus RD. CR plus RD. So it means what we need to do? We have to add equation 1 plus equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. So let us add all the four equations. Let's see what do we get. Equation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what do we get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equals to. What is on the right hand side? Let us add all of them. AS plus BQ, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay. So what is AP plus BP? Can I write it as AB? Yes. With both these two I am putting it as AB plus CR plus DR. Let's see in the figure here. CR plus DR. We can write this as CD. AB plus CD equals to, let's see what do we get. AS, see here, BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. What can we write it as? It is BC, right? BQ plus CQ. I am writing it as BC. Again AS plus DS. Write the same thing here. AS plus DS separately. Okay. So BC plus, what is AS plus DS? Let's see in the figure. AS plus DS. It's nothing but AD. BC plus AD. So AB plus CD, we got it as BC plus AD. Let's see what needs to be proved. AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA or AD. Anything is same. So therefore AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. This is what needs to be proved. Hence proved. This entire proving part is based on theorem 9.2. Nothing but length of the tangents are equal if they are drawn from an external point. So based on that, I have just added the equations, and from the figure, see here when you are writing here, write in brackets since figure. We got everything based on the figure here. We have just seen the figure. What is AP plus PB becomes? It's EAB. In the same way, CQ plus BQ it becomes BC, and CR plus DR it becomes CD, and DS plus AS becomes it is AD. So in the same way we did from the figure. So this is the proving part. So I hope you like this video. So now in the next video, let's enter into the exercise 9.2. Clear? So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.